Hi guys, welcome to our part 8 on WordPress installation. Now we're going to deal with sidebars, So this is the sidebar, so we don't want to see this here because this shows the recent posts put in here. So we don't want to see that, we want to see something different, and here shows recent comments and stuff like that. We're going to take out all this, so we have to put the content we want us to put because this is default. So that was step 1 in that. What we do, we go back here and we click on what they call your mouse roll of an appearance, then you go to widgets. I'm sorry, it's a little bit slow, but we're gonna be there soon. So yeah, when we're on widgets, so this is, they say main sidebar. So that means the main sidebar is this. That's where you see your search. This is your search. You can see the search. So if you put it out, you won't see this anymore. Recent posts, that's when you can see recent posts. You can see recent comments, achieves, categories, meta, whatever. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete this guy, and we're gonna delete this guy. We don't want them there for now. And we're gonna delete this guy, and we're gonna delete this guy also, and we're gonna delete this guy. Yes, so after deleting that, so we're gonna refresh. We can't see them anymore. Gone. All of them are gone. So we want to put what we want, not what WordPress came with. So what we do, there's a very good widget here, HTML custom, whatever. We can we use this? Let's try this. We can, you just drag and drop this here. You see how WordPress is easy. Then we copy that code because it says HTML custom. We say save. When we save that, okay, it's saved. I believe it's saved. Then we come here and we refresh. Yes, it worked for us. So what we did here, I put what they call AdSense adverts. So I put my adverts here for AdSense. So this is what I put. So that's great. So we can see in sidebar we put what we want. So in case you want to put a heading, you can say a title. You can say my ads. So when you save here and refresh, it will show you my ads. You can see it show you my ads. So we don't want to see that because clients, people who visit this site, we don't want them to be thinking that we're targeting them. So that's done anyway. Okay, whatever you want to put, you can add. So now it talks about the header, what you want to put into the header. I want to also drag that here and I put it here. After putting that there and save, and also after save, I refresh and see if it worked for us into the header. Nothing is happening anyway. I wonder why. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and comment in the comment box below to if you in case you have something to ask, you can ask. So we're gonna come back in part 9 to see what's going on here. So we try to do this, but it doesn't work anyway. But you saw how we deal with the sidebars. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in part 9.